Hi, aspiring entrepreneur. I'm Melanie Ray, creator of the National Guided Business Plan Training Platform and author of over 10 books for different business stages. Some of the most iconic brands have sponsored courses with our content, and now I'm inviting you to join me on a guided path to become a successful CEO of your own business for whatever product or service you are selling. When I transitioned from employee to entrepreneur, I stayed on that do-it-yourself path for a long time and struggled to connect with my ideal customers. But you don't have to struggle like I did. You are not alone in this. Stand on your own, but not alone. Become a free member of our new program, Guided NonSolos, and receive weekly entrepreneur inspiration on your phone, or upgrade your membership for a structured how-to process to engage your customers. Within 30 days, you will know what you want from your business and know what your business needs from you. So check out our website to view the course we designed especially for you. So transition from self-employed to job creator to perhaps become a supplier to some of the top brands in the world. NonSolos. Stand on your own, but not alone. Go to the website right now that you see on your screen and see yourself as part of our community.